In 1,000 feet, turn left onto New York 31, New York 36 North. Continue straight.
Continue straight on Route
Turn left
531.
onto New York 31, New York 36 North, then turn right onto New York 31 East.
In 2.4 miles, take the exit onto New York Route 259 towards Spencerport.
Head southeast on New York 531 East. Continue on New York 531 East for 2 miles.
Look at all this traffic during rush hour in Brockport and Spencerport.
In 2 miles, take the exit onto New York Route 259 towards Spencerport. In 1.5 miles, take the New York 259 Union Street exit towards Spencerport.
Wow. This weather is creepy and bad.
You think it's creepy, huh?
Yeah.
I think that all that traffic up there is concerning.
Yeah.
All those red lights, brake lights up there.
Yeah.
Well, it's 5:21.
Yep. 521.
Remember what we saw? That car off the ditch, remember? Oh, we passed it. Remember the car we passed?
Yeah.
Oh,
You mean just today?
yeah, just a little while ago, that white car in that ditch.
Oh, okay.
That was bad. Oh, wait, we only got 1 more mile.
Yeah. Union 1 mile, yep.
In a half mile, take the exit on the right. Use the right lane to take the exit onto New York Route 259 towards Spencerport.
Here we are. Gain off right here.
In 0.3 of a mile, take the exit on the right. Use the right lane to exit right to New York 259 Union Street towards Spencerport.
Here we are.
Take the exit on the right onto Route 259, South Union Street toward Union Street. Exit right to New York 259 Union Street, then turn left onto New York 259 North.
Continue 2/10 of a mile.
At the light, use the left lane to turn onto South Union Street. Use the left lane to turn left on South Union Street.
In 1/10 of a mile, turn left onto Route 259.